If you've been trying to lose lower belly fat but nothing changes, there's a big chance your push-up form is secretly making your belly look bigger. Yep, not smaller, bigger. Because one small mistake in your shoulders can instantly switch off your lower abs. And if your lower abs are off, fat stays on. Let me show you how to fix this once and for all. Most people do push-ups like they're trying to finish the exercise as fast as possible. Their belly drops, elbows flare out, and shoulders collapse. Then they ask, why isn't my lower belly going away? The simple answer, your form is working against your fat loss. But when you fix one simple shoulder setup, your lower abs turn into fat-burning engines. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Think of your shoulders like the roots of a tree. If they're weak, nothing above can grow strong. So before any push-up, pull your shoulder blades slightly back and down. This instantly tightens your upper body and activates your core. But the real magic starts with your hands. Place your hands right under your shoulders. Keep elbows at a clean 45-degree angle, not too wide. This gives your core stability and forces your lower abs to stay engaged. Before lowering your body, squeeze your glutes, pull your ribs downward, brace your core like someone is about to punch you. This is what burns the lower belly. Now, try 10 perfect push-ups with this technique. Feel that burn right in the lower belly. That's your transformation beginning. Subscribe and let's get shared together.